Okay, welcome students. Now we are going to see the numerical questions in part 2 book, chapter name cash flow statement. So this is very interesting and informative chapter in your book. So cash flow statement means how cash inflow from the business and that cash how to utilize it. That is studied in cash flow statement. Okay. Number 1, first problem. Anand Limited arrived at a net income of rupees 5 lakh for the year ended March 31, 2017. So in this problem, you are required to calculate the cash flow from operating activity by the indirect effort. Only one operating activity only required. So cash flow from operating activity. Just to put the heading, cash flow from operating activity. So for this purpose, you calculate net profit before tax and extraordinary item. So before tax means you add provision for tax plus with the profit. So extraordinary item in abnormal item, that is not related to operating activity. Or goodwill written off, patent written off, just like that. So goodwill written off, patent the written off are not related to the operating activity. So but in this problem only one given, net profit before tax and extraordinary item. Before tax and extraordinary item. That is given as rupees 5 lakhs. So in this problem there is no provision for tax, no proposed dividend, no written off. So there is no tax and extraordinary item. After that, adjustment for non-cash and non-operating item. So non-cash expenses like depreciation, profit on sale, loss on sale, just like that. So in this problem, depreciation given. Depreciation is non-cash expenses, that is subtracted with this 5 lakh. Now you add it. Then profit on sale is not related to the business, so you subtract from this one. So total 7 lakhs minus 50,000, that is 6 lakh 50,000. So this is called operating profit before working capital. So working capital means difference between the current assets and current liability. So when current assets increased, you bought the current assets, cash outflow. When current assets decrease, the current assets sold, cash inflow. When increase in current liability, you borrow money from others, cash flow. Decrease in current liability, you repay the current liability, that is outflow. So decrease in current assets and increase in current liability, both are inflow. You must add it. Increase in current assets and decrease in current liability, you use the cash, both are outflow, you subtract it. But in this problem only two information given. Number 1, increase in trade receivable. So increase in trade receivable is a current liability. So increase in trade receivable, so you subtract. In meantime, increase in trade payable. So increase in trade payable is add. So 6,50,000 plus 60,000, 7,10,000 minus 40,000, 6,70,000. So this is cash flow from operating activity. So in this problem, increase in trade receivable, current assets increased. So cash outflow, you subtract it. Increase in current trade payable, you borrow from others, that is cash flow, cash inflow, so you add it. So cash flow from operating activity is 6,70,000 only.